Hi viewers, I welcome you all to Solution to Fix. Today I'm gonna show you how a angle sensor look from inside, which is basically a steering sensor. I had opened it. I'm gonna show you how to open it. These are the locks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the other one in the bottom 5, 6. Okay, when you remove it, it's gonna look like this. This is a spiral, and here this is gonna fit in this clip. These are two turning wheels which move along with it. Okay, yeah, here I go. Here it look like it's working. Is this gonna send remove these signals, and this small spiral send the signal to it, and these transistors send the signal to forward to the computers, which allocate the position of current steering, and with this the stability control lights work, and it is very important part in the steering attached with this spring lock on its back side like this. If you like my video, do subscribe my channel Solution to Fix, and like my video with thumbs up. I will meet you in another video. Thanks for watching.